Hi everyone, this is Someone for Hobby channel. Welcome back, and today's lesson we're going to make some Hello Kitty earrings. I am not sure if I can say the word Hello Kitty. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Anyway, this is a fun project. If you want to sell it at your craft fair, you can. I'm just using some simple charms I found off of Amazon. I bought these a long time ago. And this is silver, and this is gold. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this is gold. This is silver. You're gonna need charm. These are called charms. You're gonna need some ear hook. I'm using matching hyperallergenic ear hook. Some 4mm jump ring. I think either a 4 or 6 will be okay. This is probably a 6. That's gold, and here's silver. This one is called, in my hand here, is an ear hook. Hyperallergenic. It pays to invest a little more because people have sensitive ears. I know I do. And here's some 4mm, 6mm jump ring. It might look a little bit big on camera, but it's okay. And that's it. And we're gonna need some flat nose pliers, some round nose pliers. I had these two from the first day that I started jewelry making, which was about 14 years ago. Then this is a newer one I had about 3 years. It's a flat nose pliers. Let's set these aside. Do you guys remember how to open up a jump ring? Let's review. Take this. This is your jump ring. And see the opening right there? We're going to open it with our tools. It's the only way to get them opened out with your fingers. You'll injure yourself. So put it in between right here. Take your other hand with the flat nose and twist. That's all you're doing is to open it. The word is called twist. Okay, now that we have it twist, we're going to connect it with this side or that side. First, take your charm. This is your charm. Do you see this little hole right here? I'm going to stick it through that hole. I'm going to take the ear hook. Make sure you don't drop anything. If you do, just keep picking it up until you're comfortable making it. And take your ear hook. See the hole? Connect. Now all I gotta do, oops, sorry about that. Hold it so it's like this. Take your flat nose plier, which is the blue one. If yours is not blue, it's okay. Squeeze it through. Pinch it. There we go. It's breathtaking, isn't it? I want to keep pinching it until it's securely closed. Let me see. Is that out of focus? Take your other flat nose plier. Try to straighten it out. Just squeeze it down. That's all I'm doing is just basically securing it. There you have it. Give it the old go like this. Give it the old spin test. There's you have it. There's your first earring. I'm gonna do the same thing to all three of them. Okay, let's review together. Take your jump ring in your left hand. I am left-handed with this, so take your flat round nose pliers, put it in between. Take your right hand with the flat nose pliers and twist. That's your new vocabulary. Take your charm, put it through the hole. Before you close it, put your ear hook. Again, this in my left hand is called an ear hook. And then just slip it through the hole. If you want to do it 2 ways, you can. So just do the best you can. If you keep dropping it, pick it up and shut up about it. Make sure it's closed. What we want to do, see that little opening right there? We want to make sure that is closed all the way through. Otherwise, the earring will not hold together. So just go squeeze it gently. If you think I did a good job, give me a good thumbs up. Or if not, subscribe to my channel, tell family and friends. For the holiday, I'll put these earrings up for my eBay page. If you would like to sell your own, you may do so. This video is not sponsored, and this is an idea I had by just studying other people's projects and stuff. I came up with this idea. Anyway, this is Hello Kitty gold, and then you have silver. And that's it. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Give me a good thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for other videos. Bye, everybody.